Algebra 2, reviewing for first semester final, we are going to simplify first using long division. So we first have to set it up correctly. So 2h plus 3 goes on the outside. And then we have a 2h cubed minus a 5h squared plus a 22h. Then notice we don't have a number at the end, so we better do a plus 0 as a placeholder. Now we need to think what times 2h gives us 2h squared, 2h cubed, and it would be h squared. H squared times 2h is 2h cubed. H squared times 3 is plus 3h squared. Now we take this and we subtract it. So when we subtract it, it is best to just go through and change the opposite throughout the entire parentheses. Your h cubes cancel and we're left with a negative 8h squared. Drop down your next value of a plus 22h. Now you have a negative 8h squared. So what times negative 2h gives you a negative 8h squared, and it is a negative 4h squared. So you multiply the negative 4h squared by the 2h plus 3. So negative 4h squared is negative 8h squared, and then minus a 12h, and this should just be h to the first power. I'm sorry, not h squared up there. So then, we once again will put this in parentheses and subtract. Change the opposite throughout. The h squareds cancel. And this is then a 34h, and we bring down our plus 0. Now we go, what times 2h will give us a 34h, and that would be 17. So 17 times 2h is 34h. 17 times 3 is 51. And now we subtract these, so we change the opposite throughout. 34h's cancel, and we're left with negative 51, so that's our remainder. So we would say here that our final answer is h squared minus 4h plus 17, and then minus 51 over the 2h plus 3. So there's our long division. Okay, synthetic division. I'm going to erase the long division so I have some space to do synthetic. So simplify using synthetic division. We're just going to write down the coefficients. So our coefficients here are 2, 5. We don't have a second power, so 0, negative 10, and 8. And our 5 should be negative. So 2, negative 5, no second power, so 0, negative 10, 8. And then we are dividing by an m minus 3, so we change the sign we divide by a positive 3 up there. Create your synthetic division box. Drop the 2 down. 2 times 3 is 6. Add negative 5 plus 6 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Add 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Add negative 10 plus 9 is negative 1. Negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. Add 8 plus negative 3 is 5. We started off with the highest exponent of 4, so that means our highest exponent here is a third power. So this would be 2m cubed plus m squared plus 3m minus 1 with our remainder of 5 over, and we were dividing by m minus 3. So there we performed synthetic division.